discuss about different questions, how to ask questions in Tagalog. First, I'll give you samples of these questions so it would be clear to you. Okay, so this is my first time to use my webcam in my video recording or in one of my videos. So okay, let's go with the first one. First one, what is what in Tagalog? What in Tagalog is ano? I'll give you a sample of that question. Like for example, you want to ask in Tagalog, what is your name? In Tagalog, you will say, the translation of that is, ano ang pangalan mo? Okay? And how about where in Tagalog? Where in Tagalog is saan? The sample of that is, for example, where do you live? Tagalog translation is, saan ka nakatira? How about when? When is kailan? Example is, when are you going to leave? In Tagalog, kailan ka aalis? Kailan ka aalis? How about why? Why in Tagalog is bakit. Let's use that in example. Example is, why did you choose him? Okay, that translation of that is, bakit siya ang pinili mo? Okay, siya refers to him or her or he or she. That's why Filipinos are having difficulties in sometimes, when you speak English, we have the tendency to forget if it's a he or a she sometimes, because in Tagalog we don't have the specific he or she. We use siya as like general term for he or she. Yeah, we use that as siya. Okay, so next question is how in Tagalog. How in Tagalog is paano. And the sample is, how could I get there? In your placement. How could I get there? In Tagalog is, paano ako makakarating diyan? But diyan we pronounce it as like the name Jan. Paano ako makakarating dyan? And which? Which in Tagalog is alin. Example is, which is your bag here? Tagalog, alin dito ang bag mo? We say bag also. We don't, I don't know. I'm sure we have Tagalog word for that, but it's nowadays we use just bag also for bag. Okay, and last question is whose. Whose in Tagalog is kanino. For example, whose daughter is Charlotte? Kaninong anak si Charlotte? Or kaninong anak si Charlotte? Sorry, I'm using the Danish pronunciation of Charlotte. Yeah, okay. So, those are the questions. Ano, what is ano, where is saan, when is kailan, why is bakit, how is paano, which is alin, and whose is kanino. Okay, so have a good day. Bye-bye.